Len Goodman's dead. I'm having a party and you're not invited. I'm building a castle and you're not getting in. Some Martin Bailey, test daily, twice daily. Why ain't everyone on earth like me?
Can I have some crisps?
It smells like poo in here. Everyone's dressed like Dr. fucking Who in here. Why's he got a book bag? It's a good job it's not a competition, mate. Cause I swear down you fucking lose it. I get busy drinking fizzy drinks. I fucking love it. Black gold rot my teeth. Don't care, I'll fucking gum it. Cause I'm the kind of guy who sees a lucky dip. You see a construction skip. Jumble selling wares to the enemy. Storage at capacity. Unlimited activity. There's nothing you can offer. Cause I'm a chillaholic head back. Brick-a-brack. Waiting for that trickle. White goods full slack. Yeah. I know definitions endlessly. Rotten positivity. I don't read anything I need is on the telly. He charge you £6 for a handshake. Make sure you wash it. I don't know who wipes is, but I never asked him. I'm the kind of guy who goes on second sitting. Whip off the belt. I sit down, eat my dinner. Don't complain about it. Only eat sugar on the weekends. Where'd you get your white goods? Facebook market is out of control. I'm in control. I got £6 all in change. Or just give me that handshake. Oh, you're not the enemy. You're somewhere in between a child. I've got bits. I've got jockey in my pocket.
Can I have some crisps?
I've got bits. I've got jockey in my pocket.
Can I have some crisps?
I've got bits. I've got jockey in my pocket. I've got bits.